Hello everyone. So how to make your own limoncello? Very easy to do. First, you need 12 lemons. Okay. We've already cut some. We've already taken the juice out of some. And you first thing 12 lemons. Then you have to peel the skin off. Okay. So you wash them, of course, and then you peel the skin out of them. Once you have all your lemon peels, okay, with the vodka, you just put it in a flask like this, and now you're going to keep this for approximately 1 month. Yes, okay, 1 month. So we also took the time because if you guys see the previous video, I talked about we have some oranges, okay, and in the orange tree was inserted a branch of a lemon tree. So on that branch of the lemon tree that we hybrid with the orange tree comes out oranges that have a taste of orange and lemon. So we decided also to do not a limoncello, just a limoncello, but we also decided to do a orangecello. We call it the orangecello, okay? So one is a little bit darker than the other, but quite interesting. I don't know the taste is going to be, but yeah, so this is just this isn't the last step of doing limoncello, okay, because after this is maturing for 1 month. So here we have 1 liter vodka, okay, the good stuff. Always use good stuff for food, even wine, always good stuff for food, okay. Whatever goes in your stomach, I believe it has to be good quality. And 1 liter vodka on the lemon peels and on the orange lemon peels, okay. I know it's weird, orange lemon, but yes, it's a hybrid. Afterwards, then this is going to be 1 month resting. After the 1 month, then we are going to have 400 milliliter juice of this orange lemon, 400 milliliter juice of lemons, and we're going to mix it with, and we use 600 milligrams of sugar plus 600 milliliters of water. So after this, we're going to add 600 milliliter of water and 600 milligram of sugar plus 400 milliliter squeezed juice from the orange lemon and the lemon, okay? We're going to heat it up in a pot and we'll show you guys how we do that phase. Let's go. So now we have to wait 1 month, of course.
1 second.
So that's our recipe for the limoncello, and we call this one the orangecello, okay? Yes. So once it's ready, we'll show you the rest of the recipe, okay? Then I'll do it all in one video, the whole procedure, how to do the limoncello and the orangecello, okay? All the steps in one video. Okay, everyone. So now, next step.
The next step is you put 600 milliliters of water, 600 milliliters of sugar, which you boil till it becomes like a syrup. You know, like a syrup.
Okay.
Okay, then what you do is you let it cool down a bit.
Yes.
Okay, and then you've got to throw in your lemon.
Okay, now how did you do this?
Well, I let it cool a little bit. Let me see.
And how did you do this? Yeah.
That it is 400 milliliters of lemon juice that you've got to have.
Okay, and?
Okay, and you've got to have also what you waited for a month to prepare.
Here is our matured lemon, okay, process with vodka, right here.
Okay.
And this is 400 milliliter lemon juice.
Lemon juice.
And that's it. No water, no nothing.
No water,
pure
no nothing.
Lemon juice.
Yes.
Comes from the lemons that were squashed.
No, fresh lemons.
Yes,
that
squeezed and squashed on the proper machine, okay? And then
And then you pour the lemon juice onto this,
Okay, on a bottle,
on the
right?
syrup.
Okay, so we use this bottle, for example.
Yes.
Right? Okay.
And first you...
Okay, so now
Now we've got to open this bottle.
okie dokie.
We've got to take a sift. A sift.
Okay, so we can put that over here on this side. Are you going to put the liquid into this?
Yes.
Okay.
But if you could help me and just mix.
Okay, let me just get my sleeves. Get my sleeves rolled up. Okie dokie. And now what do you need
You
from me?
mix.
Oh, okay, I
one
mix.
spoon.
Okie dokie, just
Pour it all in.
Probably didn't have to go so quick. Or do you?
Yes.
Okay.
And now you put this here. Okay, and now you're going to pour in the lemon juice.
Okay, now you pour in the lemon juice.
And you mix. And
so we just poured into this.
Yes.
Which was
600 milliliters of water.
Yes.
600 milliliters of sugar.
Okay.
White sugar.
And then we just poured our matured lemon peels with the vodka, okay, like you just saw in the beginning of the video.
Yes.
We poured it into here, okay, and we poured 400 milliliters of fresh lemon juice into here as well. That's
and you
all
take
in
off
here.
the peels.
Of course. Now the peels stay behind, yes. Now, this what we're going to do after this. And you're going to pour it into the bottle straight.
Into the bottles.
And then we will have what we have right here, which is one bottle.
Okay.
And 2 bottles. And 3. So we did this just now, okay? As you can see, here are the bottles. 1, 2, 3. And now we're going to pour into that bottle right there, okay?
But I've got to put it into this, scoop out excess water. You've got to wash the bottles with hot water.
Yes, disinfect the bottles.
Disinfect the bottles.
And you can use alcohol. You can use the powder that we use for the beer bottles. It's a special powder. I'll go fetch it. So you can use this to disinfect your bottles. Okay, this is what we use. It has all the instructions. Multifunction cleaner for all light duty cleaning with active oxygen. Okay, this is very good to disinfect all utensils, kitchen utensils, bottles, in this case especially bottles, okay, when we're doing beer or doing limoncello, we use this, okay. If you don't have very hot water or alcohol, okay, 90% alcohol, and you can also use a bit of, always wash the bottle before, just to make sure you take all the dust and everything out, okay. So you just poured it all into the bottle, right? And there you go. So this is our limoncello, everyone. So there's the little pieces of the lemon still inside from squeezing the lemons, okay. So in conclusion, you'll have a strong taste of lemon, the hint of vodka, and you'll still have bits and pieces of lemon from squeezing them, just like it happens with orange juice. Don't filter, because this will give it even extra taste and make it a bit more creamy and soft to the palate, and it will be very, very nice, believe me. So this will go to the freezer, and it won't really all freeze up because of the vodka. But if you don't want to put so much vodka, it will freeze up. But if you leave it outside for 5 minutes, it starts melting down, and it always tastes beautifully, okay. Because it's not good to have, you can't overdo anything, food, drinks, okay. We are built to have a bit of everything with God's blessing, but don't overdo anything, because it's bad for you. That's how life works. So we don't over go on the vodka. We actually quite careful on our dosage, okay, so that everyone can have it. Of course, if you're old enough to have it, okay. If you're too young, you can't have it, okay. Water. And always drink water, okay. It's very important. So this is just like on a weekend we'll have a little cup, just to enjoy life, relax, and talk about the good moments. Okay, that's what we do. And very nice, very rich in vitamins as well. Extremely rich, because most of this is pure lemon vitamin. Okay, we reuse these bottles. We reuse the bottles of vodka that we used, and these are with over time, okay, bottles that if we have, or someone visitors and whatever they have, they give us the bottles, and like that they get some free limoncello. That's what it's all about, sharing. Very nice, especially in cold weather, hot weather, whatever. With Italian food, even better. After eating some Italian food, a pizza, whatever, this is beautiful, but much better than the one you can ever buy in a shop. The ones in the shop and in the restaurants, if it's not like this homemade, it will never, but never reach the quality and the taste of this one right here, believe me. So with this, okay, limoncello done. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Any doubts you have, comments, put in the comment section and we will answer without a doubt. So another thing that I don't want to forget to say is that these three are the limoncello and these three are the orangecello. So the process is the same, okay. It's just the fruit that's different. I've never tried orangecello, but remember, it's a hybrid orange with lemon, okay. This fruit, it was stemmed into the lemon tree, okay, the orange tree. And actually this has even a better taste for me than the limoncello, just lemon. So just go for it, guys, and you will not regret it. Beautiful. See the proof that I tried it. Very, very nice. Making ourselves a new pizza, okay, but this time we're gonna do with alcaparras. These are alcaparras and anchovies, just this part here, okay, because I'm not a fan of anchovies, but other people's are. So I'm gonna make this part anchovies and this part non-anchovies, but everything will have alcaparras. And yes, we will see the difference. So mixing it up, let's go. Okay, so also got the ham on, just like last time. The mushrooms cut in smaller pieces, and just put the cheese and we're good to go. So always remember that the limoncello has to be served very cold, so always put it in the freezer. Don't be afraid, because the vodka will not allow it to be like hard rock ice. Even if it does freeze a bit, once you bring it out the freezer and leave it for a few minutes, you can start pouring it out and into your cup. But it's very, very important that it's always chilled, okay, like that you'll get the full tasty, delicious cold experience of the limoncello. Very nice. Let's go. Okie dokie. So as you can see, it's all iced up, okay. So this is how you want to serve it. You want to serve it all iced up, okay. And if you just leave it for like 5 minutes, see, this one still moves a little bit. Must have a bit more vodka in it, and it's got also more air in it. But if you leave it just for 5 minutes outside, you'll see it will just start pouring out, okay. And always serve it cold, chilled like this, because you just get a much better flavor and experience out of the limoncello, okay. Capiche? That's it. Okay, and now to top it off, the beautiful pizza. It was delicious. Okay, we are going to have a orancello, not limoncello, orancello. Tomorrow we'll have limoncello. Okie dokie. Okay, everyone, and with this, I'm out. Ching ching.
Cheers.
Yes.